Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. So firstly, I recommend to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music. Did I have some audio player? Let's say you listen it in SoundCloud. Firstly, remove this application from the application list. Then open it again and check it. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Google Play and check if you have the latest version for your audio player. Maybe this one is fix your problem. Next step is to perform a soft reset. Firstly, put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Your earbuds now disconnected from your phone. We can check it in the settings. So if you go to the Bluetooth or connected devices, as you can see, disconnected, then you just open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the case. And your earbuds will reconnect with your phone, so also check is it fixed. If it doesn't, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, open Backbeat application. Of course, your earbuds should be connected with your phone and you need to add them to the application. Then go to the settings at the right top, and at the bottom we have reset settings. Tap at this line, then click reset headset and reset headset. Now we need to wait and then click done. After that, we need to reconnect them with the phone, and it will automatically reconnect with the application. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices. Now, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button, but not all Android phones have it, so maybe you need to only enter to the Bluetooth. After factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. Tap at your earbuds, click Pair, and then it will ask you to pair the left earbud. Also click Pair. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!